I think we just busted that myth. There is no debt to income restriction on a VA loan. It's a budget-based loan. Get out of here, DTI.
We not only have to make sure that you have the ability to repay the loan, but we need to be responsible with the loans we're giving, because part of another myth is there's a DTI requirement.
Oh my. Oh, don't get me started.
DTI, what is that?
Debt to income. What it is it's a VA killer. It is like destroying veterans. I can't tell you, Jared, how many people think that the VA loan is a debt to income loan. And all that means is, debt to income is a fancy term for the ratio of how much you make and how much you spend. And so a quick, easy example is if I'm a veteran and I'm 100% disabled and I get $5,000 a month in disability income, and I spend $4,000 a month out of that $5,000, let's say for my credit cards, my car payment, and my new mortgage payment, then $4,000 out of $5,000 would be an 80% debt to income ratio. That would freak any bank out, right? Like bells going off, alarms, like they're escorting you out into the parking lot. But the fact of the matter is the VA loan's not a debt to income. What that banker or that lender should have done is realize that you have $1,000 left over every month after all your bills are paid. And inside of those VA guidelines that we're talking about, for a family size of one, the VA wants you to have $441 left over after all your bills are paid. Because in that same scenario you have $1,000, you should be good to go, granted the other requirements of your loan are satisfactory. So don't let any bank or lender tell you that your DTI was too high. They should be telling you things like your residual income, wasn't high enough, or you don't have enough money left over after all your bills are paid to qualify for the VA loan. So get a hold of this guy if you've been told anything about DTI.
Yeah, I feel like I'm having the opposite conversation of, I don't really want to tell you how much you're approved for.
Yeah.
Because I want to understand and get deep into what do you feel is an appropriate monthly payment that you can afford. Because we're probably going to get you approved for way more than not only lenders that are working on a DTI scenario, but more than you think.
That's right.
Getting a pre-approval in Southern California for a $2 million house is like 50% of veterans.
Yeah.
Right? It's insane.
Insane.
As long as you didn't buy that big truck and you got that $1,000 a month payment, don't do that.
Oh no. Well, yeah, I won't do it again.
Oh.
Yeah, I won't do it again. You can't help it. E4s, E5s, E6s, good credit, no credit, bad credit. Come on down, take a look and save. I feel like they put a car lot next to every military base. I can't help it. Now, in my defense, I thought I was buying a 4-bedroom, 3-bath Ford truck, but it was, they don't hold equity the same way that houses do.
No.
Yeah, so, Jared's right. Get the house first, right?
But if you are in that situation, it doesn't mean you can never buy a house, and it doesn't mean that maybe you've made the wrong decision that's going to impact your life forever, right? Because if that's going to bring you all the happiness in the world, I'm not saying don't do it, but there's opportunity cost, and you've just traded something for something else.
That's good.
So I'm not saying don't do it. It's order of operations.
Order of operations. I think we just busted that myth. There is no debt to income restriction on a VA loan. It's a budget-based loan. Get out of here, DTI.
That's good.
Myth busted. I feel like a Ghostbuster. We should have costumes for the next one.
Yeah. Well, maybe we could just pop in.
Which one would you be?
Slimer.
I'm the old creepy librarian.
I
like books.
Slimer gets weird too.
Yeah.